For a change, why don't you guess where we're coming to you from? Is it Goa? Or perhaps Bali? Or maybe the Maldives? Believe it or not, we are coming to you straight from Gurgaon. That's right. We are here at the Tattvam Villas by Vipul on Sona Road in Gurgaon. And it is properties like these that really make you consider how do you want to live. Today, living is not about those high-rise buildings with imported marble floorings or the swish and swanky homes. Living today should be like this. I love the energy of this place. And clearly so do the residents, their kids, and even their dogs. The dogs look like they're straight out of a pedigree ad. You know, when you're living in a place like this, you are so far removed from the city, from the hustle bustle and the pace of everyday metros. You are living your life at such a relaxed and comfortable pace that you and everything around you tends to be very happy. There are birds here that I haven't seen in any part of Delhi for years together. This villa complex is spread over 50 acres and Vipul has compromised on the number of flats, giving you only 254 villas, thereby ensuring that you all have so much independent space. There are so many huge green common areas and each villa is of a beautiful and very comfortable size. They offer villas in 5 different sizes to suit all your needs and you can just have a very relaxed fairy tale life here. At the Tattvam Villas, you have 5 different size options available to choose from. The villas go up from 290 square yards and go up to 960 square yards, and the corresponding pricing goes from 4.5 crores right up to 14 crores. The one we are going to be showing you right now is a 750 square yard 5-bedroom villa. So let's take a look. In this 750 square yard 5-bedroom villa, not only do you have your own private 30 feet long swimming pool, your own front and rear lawns, a beautiful drawing dining space, you also have a little inner courtyard for your family to sit and relax. And because this villa is spread over 3 levels, you have a beautiful huge basement which is good enough to host a party for say 70 to 100 people, or you could convert it into your own private gymnasium or your own movie theatre. The beauty about this particular villa that we are showing you is that this is not a sample villa or a villa that the builders have just spruced up to impress you. This is the actual villa that you or your family could be moving into. The villa is complete with floorings, electrical fixtures, light fixtures and air conditioners. All you need to do is pick up your baggage, your furniture with your family. You could move in tomorrow. I have skipped right to my favorite part of the villa, the backyard. Irrespective of the size, each and every villa here has its own private backyard with its own private swimming pool. How better can you get? So every villa has this beautiful, cute little swimming pool that is enough to have a lovely pool party, a lovely backyard, a already pre-made gazebo which can be turned into your bar, or you can have a barbecue here, and you have a tiny little gate that takes you straight to the main playing area. This is really just a piece of heaven. Even in today's day, there are builders like Vipul who are striving to give their families more than just a house. They are giving you living spaces and lifestyles. The serenity and calmness of this place really transport you to another world. So here's hoping that more and more builders strive to give families living experiences. And to know about more such builders, rush to your nearest magazine stand or newsstand and pick up the latest issue of Property for Sale magazine, or just download it on your Apple iPad or iPhone from the App Store, or just SMS MAG MAG to 56161. Until then, keep reading Property for Sale magazine.